So I have the two Momcozy breast pumps here. I've got the S12 and the S9. Now I've got the single S9, but you can get the S9 in a double, or the single on the same listing. So that's pretty cool. So this one is the, let me see, make sure I get the right one here. This is the S12 and this one is the S9. Now I find the S9 to be a little bit bigger. It's a little bit bulkier. And the top is a little bit bigger. So the S12 is a little bit more sleeker. It's thinner this direction, so in like this way. And I always joke about looking like a cyborg when I use these. So boom, 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 boom. My husband likes that. Anyway, but this one is a little bit less cyborgy because it's a little smaller, where the S9 is just a little bit bigger. I'd like to thank Momcozy for sending these to me to review. I really do appreciate it. Also, what's different is the front of these. So again, this is the S9 here, and this is the S12. The front looks different, and the tops look different. So, and this one, it just feels a little bit more solid. You have a little bit more lip here that comes around, that covers this entire thing. This one, it's a little bit looser, but again, you can bring this open and you can put the bags onto the nozzle there. And you can open this and take it all apart, and it cleans and everything. Both of them do. Both of them clean. But again, you've got a little bit more suction on the S12, so this comes around in a little bit more of a better seal than on the S9. So on the S12. So but the S12 is better seal than the S9. So those are the two different models. Again, the S12 comes in a 2-pack, the one that I have here. And both of them come with breast milk storage bags, and both of them come with extra nozzles. And also, they also come with size charts for your nipples, as well as a breast storage bag to store these in, so you can carry them. It's really easy. Chargers come with it as well, and some little extra gadgets that are very handy. So really fantastic for brand new moms.